Blackmailing. Ano ba? Remember?
Mahapin yung mga concept.
What are these different types of cyber threats? Cybercriminals. Ano cybercriminals, di ba? Hackers, di ba? Who can steal money or your data. Another example, ano ba? Insiders. Another example. Parang bukod doon lang to yung parang mo. Discuss na mga ibang aspect. First, ano minsan cyber threats. How about the vulnerabilities? Remember, what is vulnerabilities? Okay, cyber threat, may vulnerability. Anong vulnerability?
Na mga weakness, sir.
Software that works to prevent or human labor.
Yes, vulnerability is a weakness or gap within a system, di ba? Anong mahina? Vulnerable ang isa na system. How about the cyber attack? Cyber attack. What do you mean by cyber attack?
Happens when a threat successfully exploits a vulnerability to gain unauthorized access to information on its services.
Okay. So cyber attack may be a cause, di ba? So, na-discuss ang tatlo. The threat, the vulnerabilities, and the cyber attacks. So, what are the relationships between that three? I'll give you an example now. I'll give you a scenario na lang. So, can remember our last meeting discussion. What are the relationship between the cyber threats, vulnerabilities, and the cyber attacks? Yun na makakaw natin sa may quad. O sige, panay. Pag-abot. What are the relationship between the three? Pero sneaky. Ito ba discuss? What are the relationship between the three? The cyber threat, the cyber attack, the cyber threat, vulnerability, and the cyber attack. Give me an example or scenario. First start the cyber threat. Ano ba sa cyber threat? Example. Give me a simple example lang. For example, a hacker created a fake email. Send reward sa fake email. So, ang purpose ng fake email niya to gather the personal information. So, ano mo niya? I-send niya sa person. Diba? I-send niya sa fake email sa isang tao. So kung tao na to, hindi siya aware na ang send sa iyo is fake email. So, may weakness na dito, vulnerable na siya. Silip na kainaan niya. After nakita sa cyber threat, ang weakness ng isang person or ang vulnerability niya, dito na magkasunod ang cyber attack in the way of phishing. Diba? Kaya nagsend naman siya fake email. So that's example of the relationship between the three, the threat, vulnerability, and the cyber attack. So today, our discussion is about the fundamentals of cybersecurity, data privacy, ethical considerations, balancing convenience with data protection. So that's we mainly focus in this lesson. So our learning objectives for today, so by the end of this lesson, or of the lesson, students will be able to, number one, explain the importance of data privacy and identify ethical issues in how personal information is collected and used. So number one objective, we will define or identify or explain what are the importance of cyber security, data privacy under that, and also what are the ethical considerations. That's number one objective. Number two objective, show respect and responsibility toward personal and others' data by evaluating ethical online behavior. Discuss na later